This is the Farmington Hills Commission, an ECD Custom Series 3 Jaguar E-Type, finished to our client's exact specification. The Farmington Hills Commission is painted in full gloss Narvik black with chrome accents. This E-Type sits on premium 16-inch wire wheels with Pirelli Cinturo performance tyres. It also features refinished full chrome bumpers and LED lighting. Inside, the Farmington Hills Commission features a Momo Super Grand Prix steering wheel with OEM style gauges. Each seat is finished in an OEM traditional vertical Amalfi leather, stitched together in black. The Farmington Hills Commission is powered by a 450 horsepower GM LT1 engine with 8-speed automatic transmission. This Series 3 E-Type also features an array of modern elements such as E.C.D classic style radio with Bluetooth, Pioneer sound system and USB power ports throughout.